Hello, my name is Edwin. This is an exercise for English 3, Part 2, Speak and Improve. Over 400 people visited our library last month. The staff at the sports center are not available between 3 and 4 p.m. Candidates should select one question only from one topic area. All new students have to be registered with Mrs. Clark by the end of Friday. Provided that all equipment has been collected and stored, students may leave the classroom. What types of company do the majority of IT students work in after finishing their degree? Despite some initial misgivings, the new laboratory has provided itself to be an excellent facility. Environmentalists agree that the continued use of private vehicles will result in worsening air pollution. Thank you very much.